Hi everyone, my name is Aaron and I'm going to show you how we can get unlimited historical data from more than 40,000 assets. So we're going to use StockSharp. It's a website that gives us stock market data. So if we go API, you can see more than 40,000 assets, unlimited historical data. There are free plans that we can use as well. So I'm just going to sign up for free. Okay, so I've signed up and I'll just refresh the page. So my API key is over here. I'll just generate a token and this is my token. You can go to API documentation and see all the documentation for APIs. So what we want is, the first step is to find the ticker that we need. So we can use search ticker. Search ticker will allow us to find the symbol, let's say Tesla or S&P 500, whatever we need. So I'm going to go back to StockSharp. If we go to learn, we can see some tutorials. So I'm going to follow this tutorial, get any historical asset price with Python, and it's going to teach us how to get historical prices with Python. So let's try and get S&P 500. So before we can start, it's best to search for the ticker because we need the ID. We need the proper symbol name. So let's say if we want to search for S&P 500, we use the search ticker API, which is this one, and you can read all about it here. I have a Postman running now, so I'm gonna show search ticker here. Alright, so I'm gonna use the API key that they gave me, which is this one. Put it in here, and I'm going to use an escape character for S&P. There you go. So these are all the S&P 500 assets, indexes that we have on StockSharp, that exist on StockSharp. And you can see one, this is the one I want, obviously, it's SPY. But there's a lot more actually. There's buyback ETF, ESG ETF, many different types, low volatility, whatever. So we're going to use SPY. Okay, so now to get the data, we'll just check out the documentation. Is get historical price. So this will help us get historical prices. It just takes the ticker name, so in this case it will be SPY, token, date, start date, end date, and the period, either daily, hourly, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. So I'm going to do daily. So let's copy the token and get historical price. So I'm going to go from 1 to 6, about 6 days, and we'll do SPY. I'll take hourly data. Let's see what we get. There you go, and that's all hourly data for SPY, and that's over 7 days of data. So you can get up to decades, like 10-20 years, but the server just returns 1,500 items as a limit. If you want to get more, then you have to call the API multiple times, year by year, and download the data. You can't just call 10 years at once because the load on the server will be too high. So you have to pass the data. You just call it like year by year and get yearly data, hourly data every year, something like that. Okay, another cool trick is actually the technical indicator there's a get technical indicator. We can actually apply a technical indicator on uh, on um, on an asset. So I've set it up here. So I got technical data here, and I have it on SPY, and let's use Bollinger Bands. So I put BB. So you can read the documentation. There's a lot of technical indicators that we have. So BBB Bollinger Bands is over here. It takes period and standard deviation, but there is a default, so I'm not putting in the period. There's already a default period and standard deviation, so I'm not specifying it. As you can see, there you go, that's the Bollinger Band here. So this is for SPY in S&P 500 and a Bollinger Band. So it's pretty cool. The API's got everything. Yeah, so that's how you get unlimited historical data for any asset. So you can read all the tutorials here. There's Python code here as well, which you can just use. I've been using Postman, but you can just do that. Yeah. We can also get live prices. Let's do live prices. So get live. Nope. Get live. So I really wrote a lot of the APIs here actually. Get live quote. So let's get my token again. Keep forgetting. Here. So this is Tesla. Let's do SPY. So that's Tesla's current price, which is 1,000 now. Damn, it's high. Let's see SPY. And it's 475 ish. Last price was 474. So that's SPY. So this is a live data actually, and you can get, of course, any live data, 40,000 different assets, ETFs, indexes, whatever you want, you name it. So yeah, go give it a shot, check it out, stockshark.com. I'm going to put a link in the description, and the written tutorial will be there as well. And you can see the usage. You get 150 free, but you can upgrade to 15,000 requests for only 20 bucks a month. You almost never exceed 15,000. It's very rare. So yeah, give it a shot. Thanks everyone, and hope to see you on the next video. Bye.